What's up, everybody? Today, I'm revealing 5 real ways you can make $500 a day online. No investment, no experience needed. I know it sounds wild, but these are legit, beginner-friendly methods you can start right after this video. All you need is a phone or computer and some hustle. I've tested these strategies myself to find the best ways to make serious money online for free. We'll cover freelancing, selling products, affiliate marketing, and more. I'll show you the exact sites to use and how to land your first customer, even if you're starting from scratch. And stick around for bonus tips at the end that could double your earnings. Grab a notebook, get comfy, and let's dive into the 5 ways you can start earning $500 a day online, absolutely free. First up, freelancing. If you're looking for a way to make money quickly, freelancing is hands down the fastest route. It's not just for tech geniuses or creative pros. Anyone can get started, even if you've never worked online before. The best part? You can do it from your bedroom, your favorite coffee shop, or even while traveling. All you need is a laptop, a stable internet connection, and a willingness to learn as you go. This is the fastest way to get cash in your pocket. Unlike traditional jobs, you don't have to wait weeks for your first paycheck. With freelancing, you can land a gig today and get paid as soon as you finish the work. That means you could literally wake up tomorrow with money you didn't have yesterday. Don't think you have skills? Think again. If you can write an email, use social media, or organize files, you're already ahead of the game. Everyday skills like clear communication, basic computer use, and even just being organized are in high demand. You don't need a fancy degree or years of experience, just the ability to help someone get a task done. Sites like Upwork and Fiverr are free to join and packed with people looking to pay for simple tasks. These platforms connect you with clients from all over the world, and there's a constant stream of new jobs being posted every hour. Whether you want to work with small businesses, busy entrepreneurs, or even other freelancers, there's a place for you. Create a clean profile with a friendly photo and a confident description. No need to fake experience. Just be honest about what you can do and show a positive attitude. Clients love working with people who are reliable and eager to help, even if they're new. Offer easy gigs like data entry, social media posting, or basic proofreading. These are tasks that almost anyone can do, and they're always in demand. You can also offer to organize spreadsheets, transcribe audio, or help with simple research. The key is to start with what you know and build from there. Price your first gig low, think $10 for an hour of work, to get that crucial first 5-star review. Don't worry about making a fortune right away. Your goal is to build trust and a track record. Once you have a few happy clients, you can raise your rates and go after bigger projects. Over-deliver, be fast and friendly, and watch your reviews and rates grow. Respond to messages quickly, meet deadlines, and always do a little extra. Clients remember freelancers who make their lives easier, and they'll come back for more. Use free tools like Canva for simple graphics or online background removers for image editing. There are tons of resources out there to help you look professional, even if you're just starting out. Don't be afraid to experiment and learn new tricks as you go. Don't get intimidated by top sellers. They all started with 0 reviews. Every freelancer, no matter how successful, was once a beginner. Focus on your own journey and celebrate every small win. List multiple gigs for different services to increase your chances. The more options you offer, the more likely you are to catch a client's eye. Try a mix of services. Maybe one for writing, one for social media, and one for data entry. Millions of businesses need help, and you can provide it from anywhere. Remote work is the new normal, and companies are eager to hire flexible, reliable freelancers. You could be working with a startup in New York, a shop owner in London, or a blogger in Sydney, all in the same week. Set your own hours, be your own boss, and build momentum with every job. The more you work, the more you learn, and the more confident you'll become. Soon you'll have a steady stream of clients and a growing income. Your mission? Sign up for Fiverr or Upwork, create a profile, and list 3 simple gigs today. Don't overthink it. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll see results. Take that first step, and you'll be surprised how quickly opportunities come your way. Start small, focus on reviews, and you'll land your first client faster than you think. Every job is a chance to learn, improve, and build your reputation. Before you know it, you'll have a portfolio you're proud of. Freelancing is your ticket to fast, flexible income. It's your chance to take control of your time, your money, and your future, starting right now. Method 2, online tutoring. If you've ever explained something to a friend, helped a sibling with homework, or just enjoy sharing what you know, you already have the basic skills to become an online tutor. The world of online tutoring is booming, and you don't need a teaching degree or classroom experience to get started. You don't need to be a certified teacher. If you know more than a beginner, you can teach. In fact, many students prefer learning from someone who remembers what it's like to be new. Your real-world experience and patience can make you a fantastic tutor, even if you've never stood in front of a classroom. Sites like Cambly, Preply, and TutorMe connect you with students worldwide. Sign up is free. These platforms are designed to make the process simple. You create a profile, list your skills, and students can find you based on what you offer. You can teach from anywhere with a stable internet connection, whether that's your bedroom, a coffee shop, or even while traveling. Teaching English is in huge demand, and you can get paid just to have conversations. Many learners want to practice speaking with a native or fluent speaker, so you don't need to be a grammar expert, just friendly and encouraging. You'll help people gain confidence, and you'll get paid for your time. Not into English? Tutor math, science, music, or even video games. Anything you know well. There's a student out there for nearly every subject, from algebra to guitar, coding to chess. If you have a passion or a hobby, chances are someone wants to learn it from you. Make your profile inviting with a clear photo and a short intro video. A friendly introduction helps students feel comfortable reaching out. Share a bit about your background, your teaching style, and what makes you excited to help others learn. Set your starting rate a bit lower to get your first students and reviews. This helps you build momentum and attract learners who are looking for affordable options. As you gain experience and positive feedback, you can gradually increase your rates. Once you have a few 5-star ratings, you can raise your price. Good reviews are like gold. They build trust and help you stand out from the crowd. Don't be afraid to ask your students for feedback after a lesson. These platforms handle payments and scheduling, so you just show up and teach. No need to chase invoices or worry about missed appointments. The system takes care of it all, letting you focus on helping your students succeed. Work when you want. Weekends, nights, it's up to you. You can fit tutoring around your existing job, school, or family commitments. Whether you want to teach a few hours a week or make it a full-time gig, the flexibility is in your hands. Don't let imposter syndrome stop you. You only need to be one step ahead of your student. Remember, everyone starts somewhere, and your unique perspective can make a big difference for someone just starting out. Your mission. Check out Preply or Cambly, see what tutors in your subject are doing, and create your own profile. Take note of what makes top tutors stand out. Their photos, their bios, and how they describe their lessons. Record a simple intro, set a competitive rate, and open your availability. Don't overthink it, just be yourself and let your enthusiasm show. The more approachable and genuine you are, the more likely students will want to book with you. Your first student could book you today. Imagine the excitement of helping someone learn and getting paid for it, all from the comfort of your own home. So why not give it a try? Your teaching journey could start right now. Method 3. Print on demand. Sell t-shirts, mugs, and more without ever handling inventory or shipping. Use free tools like Canva to create simple designs or funny phrases. Upload your designs to sites like Redbubble or Teespring, no cost to start. When someone buys, the site prints and ships it for you and you get paid. You don't need to be a designer, simple text sells. Think funny quotes or niche hobbies. Pick a specific niche like corgi owners or nurse humor to stand out. Watch trends and holidays for quick wins. Seasonal designs can go viral. Upload as many designs as you want. The more you have, the more you can sell. Check Etsy or Amazon merch for inspiration. Simple ideas work best. Your mission. Sign up for Redbubble. Create 5 designs in a niche you know, and upload them today. You could wake up to sales and passive income. Method 4. Affiliate marketing. Earn commissions by recommending products you don't own. Sign up for Amazon Associates or other free affiliate programs. Create content on Pinterest, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts. No followers needed to start. Make helpful posts or videos about products in a niche you like. Think top 3 kitchen gadgets or best budget headphones. Use your affiliate links in your bio or video descriptions. Focus on providing value. Reviews, comparisons, or tutorials work best. You don't need to buy the products. Use images and info from Amazon. The more content you create, the more chances you have to earn. Each post is a digital asset. It takes time, but your content can make money for months or years. Your mission? Pick a niche, sign up for Amazon Associates, and create 3 pieces of content with your affiliate links. Start building your passive income empire today. This is how you scale to $500 a day. The final method on our list is one of the most exciting and accessible ways to earn money online: content creation. In today's digital world, anyone can become a creator and build an audience around their unique voice, interests, and personality. You can start a YouTube channel, launch a TikTok account, or write a blog about literally anything you're passionate about, whether it's gaming, cooking, travel, tech, or even your daily life. There's an audience out there for every niche, no matter how big or small. Don't let equipment hold you back. You don't need a fancy camera or expensive lighting to get started. Your smartphone is more than enough to film high-quality videos or take great photos. What matters most is your creativity and willingness to share your story. Focus on clear audio and delivering real value to your viewers. Whether you're teaching, entertaining, or inspiring, make sure your message comes through loud and clear. Good sound and a clear message can make even simple videos stand out. On YouTube, once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past year, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program and start earning ad revenue. This is a major milestone for many creators, but it's not the only way to make money. In fact, you can start earning even before you're eligible for ads. By promoting affiliate links, digital products, or your own merchandise in your videos or descriptions, you can generate income from your very first upload. Many creators make their first dollars this way. Short-form platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts are perfect for going viral quickly, even if you have 0 followers. A single creative video can reach thousands or even millions of people overnight, giving you a huge boost in visibility. Brands are always looking for authentic voices to promote their products. Even as a micro-influencer with a small but engaged audience, you can land sponsorships and paid collaborations. It's not uncommon for small channels to earn hundreds of dollars per sponsored mention or review. The secret to growth? Consistency. Set a realistic posting schedule and stick to it. Whether you post once a week or every day, showing up regularly helps you build trust and keeps your audience coming back for more. Focus on providing value, either by entertaining, educating, or inspiring your viewers. Above all, be yourself. Audiences crave authenticity and realness. You don't have to be perfect or polished, just relatable and genuine. Share your wins, your struggles, and your unique perspective. That's what makes people connect with you. If you're camera shy, don't worry. You can still create amazing content with faceless channels. Use voiceovers, stock footage, screen recordings, or animations to share your ideas and stories without ever showing your face. Ready to start? Challenge yourself to brainstorm 10 video ideas that excite you. Pick one, film it, even if it's not perfect, and upload it. The most important thing is to take action and learn as you go. Every video is a step forward. Each upload is progress. With every video, you're building your brand, your skills, and your potential income stream. Don't underestimate the power of small beginnings. The creator economy is open to everyone, regardless of age, background, or experience. All you need is a story to tell and the courage to share it. So start today. Let your personality shine, and you might just inspire others while building a brand and an income by simply being yourself. There you have it, 5 proven ways to start making $500 a day online, all for free. Freelancing, tutoring, print on demand, affiliate marketing, and content creation. Pick one and take action. The only thing you need is your time and effort. Don't let fear hold you back, just start. If you found value, hit like and subscribe and comment which method you'll try first. Check the description for a free resource guide with all the links and bonus tools. The internet has leveled the playing field, now it's your turn. Good luck, go make that money, and I'll see you in the next video.